Maher, back to you. I know you've talked in the past about the trust gap in engineering, right? And the whole idea is as you scale Gen AI, right, it's not just the infrastructure that can break, right? But trust in the data output can also break, okay? As a leader, right, where you've in scaling large-scale systems, how do you ensure that as you do this, right, you maintain high reliability and high trust, right, as you do this?
Yeah, that's a good question because the way I think about optimizing all of these kind of metrics and KPIs, latency, throughput, we have also some other metrics around quality of the outputs, safeguards and guardrails that will also prevent us from ingesting the wrong kind of data or the undesirable inputs, and also not generate an undesired output. So for me, all of these metrics are kind of competing against each other. And the hardest part of my job is to find that kind of sweet spot where I make it work through latency, throughput, cost, performance, and quality for a specific use case. So I think the focus will be on, as Shashank was saying, not every use case is the same. Some use cases require high level of quality and kind of safeguards and guardrails running to ensure everything is top notch on that side. Some others focus more on latency. So for me, what we need to do is definitely understanding all of these different scenarios and use cases, and then go and build these guardrails and systems. So as an example, at Betterworks, we have a bunch of guardrails that we run to make sure all of the AI operations, input and output, are going through this. We are an HR tech, and it's very important for us to build responsible AI. I'm very sure you're all familiar with this word now, that is based on transparency, accountability, explainability as well. So everything we do, it's not just pure AI operations, input, output. We have so many round trips with AI and conversation with AI just to make sure that the input is safe, the output is safe. And also, it's not just about safety, it's about accuracy and bringing value to the end user. So by doing these extra steps, we impact the latency, and the latency will have to go down. And now, looking back at that, we go into this flywheel again to optimize. How can we optimize latency again while having our bar for quality and accuracy and safety and responsible AI high? And that's the exercise we go into next. So it's a push and pull game where every time you have, for very specific use cases, more requirements on some of these metrics compared to others. And it's the successful team is the one that can figure this out as soon as possible, going through different iterations. It's not going to happen in the first one, so you need to go and operate and understand. And then also learn from the usage, because the usage of the app will guide you. So that's why it's very important to have some sort of feedback loop from your usage, where your users could be able to say, this worked or this didn't work for me, or provide more specific, so you can go and either fine-tune the system or improve your prompts and your agentic AI for the next time the same use case is needed.